Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Russian in less than 5 minutes. I'm again here as I promised you with a new video. Today we are going to learn Russian alphabet. As I have already told you in my previous lecture that it has 33 letters, but they are written in two different ways. The first is printed form and the another is cursive form. You can find printed forms in books, newspapers, etc. But when it comes to write them with a pen or a pencil, you must use cursive form. So now, let's see how do they look like in two different forms. This is printed form and this is cursive form. Guys, they look like alien, but don't worry, we are going to do it one by one. So let's see on the first letter. So this is the first letter which is pronounced as A in the English word far. Another letter is B, pronounced as B in box. V, pronounced as V in van. Another letter G, pronounced as G in go. Another letter D, pronounced as D in do. Another letter Y is pronounced as Y in yet. Another letter Yo is pronounced as Yaw in York. So the next letter is J. It does not have any similar sound in English language, but is pronounced as S in pleasure. Pleasure. Next letter is Z, which is pronounced as Z in zoo. The next letter is E, which is pronounced as E in taxi. So the next letter is E kratke. It is like a small I in English. It has the pronunciation of Y in toy. Like toy, it has also a small I. Next letter is K. It is pronounced as K in kept. Next letter is L. L is pronounced as L in lamp. Next letter is M. M is pronounced as M in map. Next letter is N. N is pronounced as N in nut. Next letter is O. O is pronounced as O in more. Next letter is P. P is pronounced as P in pet. Next letter is R. R is pronounced as R in rolled. Next letter is S. S is pronounced as S in set. So the next letter is T, which is pronounced as T in top. U. Next letter is U, which is pronounced as double O in fool. Next letter is F. F is pronounced as F in fool. Next letter is K, which is pronounced as CH in lock. L-O-C-H, lock. Next letter is C. C is pronounced as T-S in sits. S-I-T-S. The last two letters, T-S. Next letter is Ch. Ch is pronounced as CH in chat. C-H-A-T, chat. Next letter is Sh, which is pronounced as S-H in sharp. And the next letter is Sha, which is pronounced as S-H in sheer. The next letter is hard sign. As I have already told you that Russian has two signs also. So this is the first. Hard sign has no sound, as I have told you earlier also, but it is generally used to make a pause between two syllables in a word. The next letter is Ui. Ui is pronounced as E in hit. Hit. Next letter is soft sign. Soft sign again has no sound, but it makes the previous consonant soft, like P in pew. Next letter is A. A is pronounced as E in mat. M-E-T, mat. Next letter is U. U is pronounced as U in use. Next letter is Ya. Ya is pronounced as Y-A, Ya, in yard. That's all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I think that you have understood a little bit about Russian letters and Russian alphabet in whole. And if you have any problem, any doubt, please write me in the comment. I will try to reply you with explanation. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.